Hello everyone, welcome back to Empirical Knowledge. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today we've got a fantastic topic for you. Top 5 investment strategies for beginners. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, save for the future, or just make your money work for you, these strategies are a great place to start. Let's dive right in. First up, we have diversification. This strategy is all about not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's like having a variety of investments in your portfolio to spread the risk. By investing in different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can reduce the impact of a single investment's poor performance on your overall portfolio. Strategy number 2 is dollar cost averaging. It's a simple and effective method for investing regularly. Instead of trying to time the market, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, like monthly. This way, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Over time, this can lead to lower average purchase prices. Next up, we have exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and index funds. These are like a one-stop shop for diversification. They track the performance of an entire market index or a specific sector, making them a great choice for beginners. They offer instant diversification and are typically low cost, which is a win-win for new investors. Strategy number 4 is all about patience. Long-term investing means you buy and hold investments for an extended period, often years or even decades. It's a strategy that has historically provided solid returns and minimizes the impact of market volatility. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Last but not least, before you dive into investing, make sure you have an emergency fund in place. This is typically 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in a readily accessible account. It acts as a financial safety net, ensuring you won't need to sell your investments in a hurry if unexpected expenses arise. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 investment strategies for beginners. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's essential to start with a solid foundation. Diversify your portfolio, consider dollar cost averaging, explore ETFs and index funds, embrace a long-term mindset, and always have that emergency fund in place. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.